If you're thinking about buying a used car, be careful. The wrong choice could cost you thousands in repairs. In this video, I'll show you the 5 critical problems you should never ignore. If you notice even one of these signs, do not buy that car. Problem 1. Engine noises. The first red flag is strange engine noises. Knocking, ticking, or loud friction sounds often mean worn pistons or bearings. These repairs are extremely expensive. If you hear these sounds during a test drive, walk away immediately. Problem 2. Transmission issue. The second problem is the transmission. If the car shifts roughly, hesitates, or slips between gears, that's a serious issue. Transmission repairs can cost as much as half the value of the car. It's simply not worth the risk. Problem 3. Rust and structural damage. The third danger is rust and structural damage. Check under the doors, in the trunk, and along the frame. Rust isn't just cosmetic. It destroys safety and weakens the entire car. If you find rust, avoid the vehicle completely. Problem 4. Electrical problems. The fourth sign is electrical issues. If the headlights, windows, or dashboard electronics don't work properly, it could mean hidden electrical faults. These are often difficult to fix and can drain your wallet with endless repairs. Problem 5. Flood or accident damage. The fifth and most dangerous problem is flood or accident damage. Musty smells, mold, corroded wiring, or misaligned body panels are all warning signs. These cars are unreliable and could fail at any moment. Conclusion. These are the 5 problems you should never ignore when buying a used car. If you see any of these warning signs, walk away and look for a better vehicle. Making the right choice can save you thousands of dollars. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next video.